Now, let us say that this is a battery, okay? You will find that this region is, let's say, having a potential V1, and let's say this region is having the potential V2, and let us say that the EMF of the battery is 5 volt. EMF of the battery is 5 volt. So what you can see from here, that if the battery is having an EMF of 5 volt, I can say that since this is the longer side, so I can say this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. What does positive and negative terminal means? Well, positive terminal means that this is the higher potential here and this is the lower potential. This is the lower potential. Got it? Understood this? Okay. Now the another thing that I can discuss here is that what is the value of V1 and V2. So remember what I said, that delta V always remains the constant. Delta V cannot change, but V is based on the reference. V is based upon the reference, okay? You cannot have any fixed value for the potential. You can have a fixed value for the potential difference. In all these cases, you will find that the potential difference, since it is connected via battery of 5 EMF 5 volt, so the potential difference across the ends here, that will be 5 volt. The potential difference across the end, that will be equal to 5 volt, okay? Delta V, that is V1 minus V2, that is equal to 5 volt. Okay, I understand that. So what is the value of V1 and V2? Well, they are not having any particular value. They could have the possible value. Now what are the possible values for this? So you can find that V1 can be 5 volt. Okay, since this is high potential, so this will have the higher value. So this is V1, which is 5 volt. So V2 will be what here? V2 will become 0. Only then the potential difference is maintained 5. V2 can be your 10 volt. So if V2 is 10 volt, V1 is your 10 volt, I can say V2 is 5 volt. Okay. You can find here that still the potential difference is the same, that is 5 volt. That is what required. You can have V1 as 15 volt. Okay, while your V2 will be how much? That will become 10 volt here. Okay, even if you wish, you can take V1 to be 0 volt. If V1 is a 0 volt, what is the value of V2? V2 will become minus 5 volt. You can have your V1 as minus 100 volt as well. So what will be V2 in that particular case? That will be minus 105 volt. Okay, so it's up to you that how do you wish to have that. Okay, if you wish to have the value as simply 0 and the another E, okay, so you can have that also, and whatever you wish, you will be given there. Okay, I'm repeating this thing again, that potential difference is the same, that is 5 volt, but V1 and V2 can change here. Got it everyone? Okay, perfect. So this was the introduction about the battery. Okay, let me discuss one more case so that let us understand whether you understood this or not. So the battery is like this. The EMF of the battery is given to you as 6 volt. Okay, now I am asking that if this is given as 6 volt, can you let me know everything about this? Okay, let us say that these are the 2 points here. Let us say that this is the point V1 and this is the point V2. Tell me everything related.
The problem is not effort. It's lack of personal attention. With one-to-one mentoring, every doubt is addressed, every concept is applied, and real improvement begins.